Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can subscribe to CoinStats Premium. So in order to do that, first of all, go ahead and open the CoinStats mobile application and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. In the More menu, look for the CoinStats Premium option and tap on it. On the next page, select the Premium option at the top left and click on the Upgrade Now button if you want to upgrade it for a year. To subscribe it for a month, tap on Subscribe/month option at the bottom and then follow through the process. You will then need to go ahead and enter your payment details and sign in with your account. Your payment option may include credit or debit card, whether you are using Android or iOS. After you follow through the instructions and confirm the purchase, you will be able to activate your subscription. After the successful payment and upgrade to the premium, you can now access features like unlimited wallets, advanced analytics, and much more. That is how you can easily subscribe to premium on CoinStats. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.